I saw a poll that showed him dead even at 41%, Brent, with Charlie Crist, who's expected to run for governor again as a Democrat this time, whereas not too long ago, Governor Scott was trailing in head-to-heads with Charlie Crist and had a high negative. Are all these turnarounds on these various issues helping the governor significantly, or do you believe this poll?
Well, there's a lot of polls that I don't believe, Steve. 41%, though, if you look at that, you take the rock rib Republicans and the hardcore Democrats, that's about where you're at in this state. They're both hover around 40%. I think there's a few more Democrats, a few 100,000 more Democrats. But it's the 18 and 19% that don't identify with either party particularly that settle these elections. And we saw that in the presidential elections, who's going to win that vote in between. So I'm not surprised by a 40-40 number. Now, if that ended up and you're sitting there in the high 40s for both of them, I think I'd be pretty amazed, particularly in view of the fact that most polls over the last couple, actually Governor Scott has hovered below 40% in virtually every poll that's been done up to this point. So his number's not really unchanged if he's at 41%. But I think at this stage, game's probably pretty meaningless. We all feel that Governor Scott will run, and I think most people feel that Charlie Crist will probably run as well. So, but I tell you, if it is those two, it's going to be a fascinating race that all of this country is going to watch.